traders? Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Friday. Last trading day of the month. Cool, the end of May, end of the week. We just got, I don't know if you guys saw, I haven't put an email out yet, but version 2.13 is ready for download. Now, we know we did the monster. It's officially doubled, as we said. I sent you guys out the video. But guess what, guys? The Breakout compounding account has officially doubled. All right, it's up over 101%. Is this the Breakout? Yes, this is the Breakout. So it's at 10,053. It looks like overnight it was a little higher at 10,209, but if we see the history, we'll probably see that there was a loser overnight. Not bad. We started with 5,000 deposit. This is our balance now, 10,053. There's no open trades, so that's. Let's see some stats here. We've taken 244 trades. Only, like I said, hit about 40, just under 40% of the trades. You don't hit a ton, but it's your risk reward that's so positive on this type of trade. The history. It was 3 trades overnight, and it was break even. We lost 2 and won 1. So it kind of was a break even day overnight. So that's fine. We're still doing okay. Here's the growth curve. So it hit up to 89% here, and then it pulled back a little. So it waits for the market to break out. And once the market starts breaking out, it tends to keep breaking out. Hopefully we're going to see some breakouts in the market, and we'll get some more good action on this. But think about it now. Every time we grow 2% a day, which is what this thing has been doing, it's actually 4% a day on our original investment. So if this thing grows, has a 10% day, that's going to be a 20% on our original investment. So this is where compounding gets exciting, especially if this thing can keep going. What also I want to show you, I can just show you the pip totals. Let me get rid of the growth curve here. So we just got the pips. You can see 145 on the best day. A few hundred pip days, 130. I mean, a lot of them. There's 50, 75, 70, 37. So you can see, and then the losses here, less red days, but there are some red days. That was a big 100 pip loser. It's going to happen. It's 10% day right there. Just because when you have multiple trades that open up at the same exact time. And that's what happens a lot of times with the breakout. But not usually. 50 is about the most. Remember, I've got it set. Usually it's 60 or 45 usually is what will happen. 60 is 4 losing trades. 45 is 3 losing trades. There's 3 losing trades. 30 pips is 2 losing trades, and 15 pips is 1 losing trade. 4 losing trades, that happens. See, 4 days, 60, 60, 60, 60. And this was 100, so that's 5 or 6 in a row. Trades that opened at once. So that can happen. But of course, it can happen on the good side. In fact, it's happened 100 pip days on the negative side only 1 time. On the positive side, 1. There's a 90 that doesn't count. 97.8 really doesn't count, right? As 100. There's 2, 3, 97, but it doesn't count. So 4 days over 100 and several 90 plus days. So definitely, is every day a winner? No. Do you sometimes get multiple days in a row that are losers? 1, 2, 3, 4? Yes, you do. Should you, after 4 days in a row, decide this strategy is not worth trying anymore? No, you shouldn't. So you can't get spooked over a couple days of losers, okay? It happens, I get some guys that watch the video, they want to download and get the thing running, and then they get 2 losers in a row, and then I'm getting emails, hey, the bot's not working. Well, can you check my settings? Bot's not working. I mean, it tells me a lot when you guys do that. It's not a big deal. I know a lot of us are newbies in the market, and that's why we're doing this, and we like the idea of having a robot trade for us. But when you do stuff like that, like say, hey, something's not working, it's taking 2 days of losers, all it does really is show how much of a newbie you are. Not to be insulting at all, guys. All right? The market doesn't work. Every day is not the same day in the market. Okay, the market goes through phases. Sometimes phases last weeks, months, and then it changes. The market has seasons. So there's no guarantees, obviously, on the performance. And there's nothing I can't tell you what the market's going to do from one day to the next. All I can do is put my trading knowledge into this code right here. I can tell you I'm putting 1,000 in each of these accounts, the monster and this one, next week sometime. And, I expect it to at least perform similarly. Will we get, the other one doubled in 2 months. This one doubled in, let's go to the first trade. 227. So it's like 3 months. It's May 29th. So 3 months. So that's 4 doubles a year if it's perfect. And by the way, guys, this was actually almost doubled after just 1 month, if you remember. So in a good market, this could double in a month. Any one of these two could double in a month. If this market starts really trending, we could get a massive trending market that lasts for a while. If that happens, we're doing good. This thing only slows down in the rangy and the pullback markets. That's the update. Any questions on that at the moment, guys? This is the breakout, the one we've been following. So just a brief little update. I will show you quickly the symbols that we've been trading on it. I know some guys have been wondering. Basically, the majors we trade, euro yen, euro dollar, pound yen, pound dollar, and dollar yen, and then dollar Canada just performs really well. Okay, any questions about that, guys? I don't think I want to go too far into that today. I just wanted to let you know we doubled on the breakout. That's two separate strategies that have doubled and very different approaches to trading. You know, one's a straight up no ad breakout. One's building up a positions in a nice trending market.